how to play a really simple cha-cha. If you actually play Latin music, don't at me in the comments. This is for people who haven't played drums for very long. Please forgive me if I do any faux pas here, but I wanted to keep things nice and simple to introduce people to some Latin music. And this is a great place to start. Quarter notes on the ride cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it the ride bell if you like, or you can just stick to the plain old ride cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to do what I call walking feet. So you're going to start with 1 on the bass drum, 2 on the hi-hat, 3, 4. So you're just walking. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now sync that up with your ride cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the interesting part comes with the left hand. On beat 2, you're going to hit a snare drum. 1, 2, 3, and then for 4 and, we're going to hit the high tom first of all. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and. The and a 4 is going to be on its own. So you've got 4, which is everything, basically, coming down together. Left foot, ride cymbal, and high tom. And then the and a 4 is on its own. 4 and. 4 and. Get used to that coordination. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Remember to keep the walk going on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Once you got that nailed, moving to just the high tom, you can then move to whatever tom you like on beat 4. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. If you like, 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. And if you get really comfortable, you can actually start to add cross stick on the snare drum. If you find this too difficult, then stress not. I have a free ebook full of all the very useful grooves that you need to know as a new drummer. It's called the New Drummer's Toolkit. It's a free ebook. Go and grab it now. The link is in my bio or in the description. Have a good day. Mwah!